When you're trying to play it cool after making a mess but you've literally been caught blue-handed. I think he's trying to scratch his brain for a better alibi. It's not a stain, it's a fashion statement. You hit 1% on your fitness tracker and your human decides you have reached your peak athletic potential. Today's episode of Siblings Are Enemies, the dog tries to offer a peace treaty in the form of a stuffed zebra while the cat is clearly still in the middle of a 3 to 5 business day grudge. One is playing fetch, the other is playing UFC, and I think we all know who actually runs this living room. Total chaos.
Oh my god, Millie. He's so like, he's so brave.
ครับ ดูเล่นกับน้องเขาเน่เล่นกับน้องเขาเน่เน่เฮ้ยอะไรวะเขาเป็นอะไรวะเฮ้ยจุดนี้นะ
You forget that physics exists and try to take the express lane to the top of the wheel. Trying to figure out if your reflection is a friend, a foe, or just a really good-looking stranger who matches your outfit. That moment you accidentally meow a swear word in cat and now your life is in danger.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, get back. Oh no, I forgot count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You forget to tell your cat it's a straw and not a lollipop. One brain cell is working overtime today and it's still losing. The movie gets so intense you have to start a fight club in the living room to burn off the adrenaline.
Traces of civilization are a good sign. This could be the way out of here. The more humans that come into the swamp, the more...
You hear the snack drawer open from 3 rooms away and have to calculate the fastest route. You ask for a light trim but your barber is a 1,500-pound herbivore with no concept of personal space.
Oh, she's like, don't bite my ear off.
You decide to take the stairs 3 at a time because you think you are a parkour master but gravity immediately. You realize the object you were stalking is actually an egg and now you have to pretend you were just practicing your parkour.
Cats hate being touched? Nah, the right one is totally fine.
The moment you realize the groceries are staring back at you. I've spent years perfecting my parkour skills only to realize that getting down is a logistic. Spend 5 minutes calculating the physics of the jump only to realize you are standing on a refrigerator and have nowhere left to go. The florist says the bouquet is edible, but you want to make sure your brother goes first just in case. Try to sneak a snack, but the main character energy walking by is just too much to handle.
Life is this. I like this.
You decide to exit a conversation, but your dramatic side isn't quite finished yet. You're trying to have a main character moment, but the local lawnmower wants a vibe check. You're 100% committed to the game, but the geometry of your life just isn't cooperating. This is the struggle of a cat living in a 2D world with a 3D accessory. You walk into a room and accidentally trigger a 4-way glitch in the cat matrix.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Father like son. Bye.
Don't try it. No! Oh, Michael!
Kitty. Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?
You're trying to be romantic but realize your breath smells like the fancy tuna you stole.
No.
You're trying to get a professional manicure, but your cat decided he's the head supervisor and you're already behind on your performance review.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You're playing hide and seek, but your single brain cell is lagging and your mustache gives you away immediately.
Contador, contame.
You realize the final boss is just a very fluffy, very judgmental cloud. You hire a fluffy mercenary to handle the spider on the ceiling because you are too short and too cowardly to do it yourself. You're trying to act cool in your new striped kicks, but your back left tire has a total blowout by step 4. Spent $40 on a self-care mirror just so my cat could use it to hunt his own reflection like a confused Victorian ghost.